Hello everyone. So today's question is: in a workshop, a worker measures the length of a steel plate with a vernier calipers having a least count 0.01 centimeter. For such measurements of a length yielded the following values: 3.11 centimeter, 3.13 centimeter, 3.14 centimeter, and 3.14 centimeter. And we have to calculate the find the mean length, the mean absolute error, and the percentage error in the measured value of the length. Okay, so first we will write given given. Here are four calculated measurements. So we will take as first is a1 is equal to 3.11 centimeter, a2 is 3.13 centimeter, a3 is equal to 3.14 centimeter, and a4 is equal to 3.14 centimeter. Okay, so first we will calculate the mean length. First is we will calculate a mean. For a mean we have the formula, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 divided by 4. So it will be a mean is equal to 3.11 plus 3.13 plus 3.14 plus 3.14 divided by 4. If we add this value and divide by 4, we will get 3.13 centimeter. That means a mean is equal to 3.13 centimeter. Next we have to calculate the absolute error. Okay, for absolute error we have formula delta an is equal to in modulus a mean minus an. Okay, so first we will calculate delta a1, that will be a mean, that is 3.13 minus a1 will be 3.11, so we will get 0.02. so a2 delta a2 will be the 3.13 minus 3.13, so that will be 0. Okay, next delta a3 will be 3.13 minus 3.14, that will be 0.01. Next delta a4 will be 3.13 minus 3.14, it will be 0.1. Okay, so these are the absolute error. Okay, so next we will calculate mean absolute error. For that we have formula mean absolute error is equal to delta a1 plus delta a2 plus delta a3 plus delta a4 divided by 4. So we have delta a1 is 0.02, delta a2 is 0 plus delta a3 is 0.01 plus delta a4 is 0.01 divided by 4. If we add this value, we will get 0.04 divided by 4. That will be 0.01 centimeter. Okay. Next we will calculate percentage error. That will be percentage error is equal to delta A mean divided by A mean into 100. So we have delta A mean is 0.01 and A mean is 3.13 into 100. That will be, if you calculate this, we will get 0.3194%. That will be approximately 0.32%. Thank you.